Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Today, I have brought only for you a very important tutorial for those who have their own YouTube channel, and this is very important for them who have their own channel, YouTube channel. Uh, it's a matter of fact to make a stylish and amazing YouTube thumbnails within few steps or quickly. How can I do it? Let's go check it out. Before starting my tutorial, I am requesting all of you, for those who didn't subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for getting the regular update. And let's start. Dear viewers, you are watching the channel of Lutfor Rahman, the digital expert. Before starting, you have to go Chrome browser or any browser of your laptop or PC. I have chosen my Chrome browser and write down Canva. Canva.com has come. It's a home interface, home page of Canva.com. Now you have to find out the social media from this box. This is social media. Click this icon and you have more option under this section. Scroll down. This is the arrow of the right side. Click here and there are many options, but you have to find out your own chosen template. This is YouTube thumbnail. Yes, we have got, and you can see the aspect ratio, resolution 1280 and 720 pixel. It's a preset of Canva. Don't think about the resolution, they have made it for you earlier. What is needed for the YouTube thumbnail? Okay, let's click it. And now it's the time for getting a template. For if you want a ready-made template, you can browse from the left side of this is I am browsing. It's an easy for you within a few steps. There are many template here for YouTube thumbnails. You can choose it for this vast of stores of Canva. Let's check it out. I choose I will choose this template I have I chose, and it's time to customize it. You have to customize your own voice or picture and many more, and let's check it out. Now I will put my YouTube thumbnail main topic. This is my main topic. Now, as there are three lines here, but you have to also divide your main topic in 3 lines. Let's start. I will also divide my topic in 3 lines. First part of this I will copy it and then paste it. Yes, now you can decrease the font size pressing the plus or minus icon here. You can see you can see here up of this thumbnail, this is plus and minus. Now I will decrease my font size clicking this minus icon here. Yes, Now I will copy the second line. Let's go my second line. This is my second part. I copied it and now I will paste it. Now we have to again decrease the font size. Decrease the font size, yes. Now drag to this text box in the middle of this yellow box. Now it's time to paste the final part of my topic from the selected text. Yes. Now I will paste it. Decrease again the font size. You can yes. Ready. Now you can change this picture. You can change this picture. You can change this picture. Now I will add my own picture. Let's find out. Click here, upload. Yes, in the left corner there are many options here. Now find out uploads. Uploads files. Click to upload files and then find out your own picture here. Own picture. I will now find out. Yes. This is my own picture has come. Yes, this is my own picture. I will use it. Yes. You can change the background color from selecting the background. You can change this color or this color or this color, whatever you like, you can choose. I will use this picture here. Yes. Okay, finished. Now I will I will save it. For saving, what can you do? In the right corner of this home page or yeah, customization page, click share and click downloads. You can check it again, the our YouTube expected ratio 1280 and 720 pixel are ready. And now click download and PNG format. You can check it here. There are various kinds of for yes ratio here. There are various kinds of option here, but you have to choose PNG. Now click share, click downloads and click finally download. The nice the nice thumbnail has been made from the Canva. Yes, now click save and saved has been Yes, saved in my desktop. Now we will check it. Yes, this is my YouTube thumbnail. Thank you all. If you like my video, please, I am requesting all of you to subscribe my channel, and a million of congratulations for those who have already subscribed my channel. Thank you all. Bye bye. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more information and regular update. Please stay tuned with me www.lutfor11.com. Thanks.